Hello everyone, so welcome to North Point. We are at the main atrium, level 1, so you can look for Blair Wellness. We are right next to the escalator. So today I'm going to show you what we have here. So first we have the beauty bundles. This is a collaboration between Blair Wellness and Ivy Salon. So it's only $88, so you get to enjoy a nourishing hair treatment as well as hydrating organic facial, which is about 2 hours or so depending on how long it takes. So you can enjoy this and come over here. So we have the drinks. So the drinks are lemongrass drinks, which are diabetic friendly. So no sugar, sweetness is just for taste. So one bottle is at $3. So you can buy 4 bottles at $10. So one carton is at $55. So if you wish to it to be delivered to you, you need to buy 2 cartons. Okay? So and then we have these cookies. These cookies are made of very little flour. It has no oil, no butter, no preservatives, same like the lemongrass, same manufacturer, and of course it is halal certified. You can see the certificate here. Okay, so come over here. If you're looking for a sugar replacement, I would recommend you Treasure Drop. So now it's on at $99. You get 2 bottles instead of 1. So this can be a replacement for those who are suffering from diabetes. Okay, so for the home, for Hari Raya, you need to smell good. Your house needs to smell good too. So we have non-toxic, no chemicals, home scent in lime and pear, as well as bergamot and aniseed. So lime and pear is very refreshing. Bergamot and aniseed is a bit sexy and sweet. If you like candles, so this can be an option for you. Your candles are from Estonia, and we have the besotted candles are from US. So they smell really, really good. So you just have to burn them and put them in a nice cozy room. So it has a very lovely scent. So it's non-toxic, so good for people who are suffering from asthma, and as well as young kids. You know, they don't destroy the lungs. So we have the body stuff. So we have shower gels in 4 different flavors: honey, lemongrass, fruity melissa, and pineapple and passion fruit. They are very light scent and very refreshing. So if you are the more of a bar soap, so 2 types. We have these are made in Singapore: jasmine, ginger, honey, and goat's bastille. So these are made from France. These are eco-certified. So we have for dry skin, for aging skin, and for combination skin. So you can use these for your face. So come over this side. These are Ashontic. These are all for the face, except for this one. You have the hand cream, mango sheer butter, which is mango is very good for the skin. So they have cleanser, toner, eye cream, serum, and scrub as well. So if you want easy cleansing, go for the wipes. It has the cleansing agent inside, made of organic cotton, manufactured in UK. So you can use them. A combination skin is apple and honey, and we have the rose and chamomile for dry skin as well. So and then we have these. These can be used on your face as well as body. Sweet almond oil and lavender infused with sweet almond oil. These are made in Italy, and they are organic, 250 ml at only $50 each. Original price is at $68. So if you are a nail person, so these are not wudu friendly, but they are 8 free. That means 8 types of dangerous chemicals in regular nail polishes. So they are not present inside. So these are by NCLA. You can see the glitter colors, and these are the spray effect many. So it's going to look like this. And then they have the So Jelly ones, which are really cute. Okay, so if you have aching bodies or fatty tissues lying around in your body, we have the lymphatic detox for aching bodies. These slim and trim oil, and also calm oil for people who are suffering from anxiety or stress. And then these are foot balms made for feet, very relaxing and calming if you have aching feet. So easy for you to put in your bag as well, and smell really, really good. Okay. So then we have these are Bali Mama. These are the only ones that are left. So we have the Frangipani. Frangipani, I've learned that it is for beauty as well as love. So we have the massage oil. This is a set: body wash, bath salt, and lotion. So for the lemongrass, we are just left with the body lotion. So last but not the least, I think, will be the coconut range. That's right. You just have to buy one 500 ml. You get the 250 ml free. Or you can purchase the coconut oil in soft gels. Then you get the 250 ml free. So this is really a good buy. This one is at $53. This is at $68. So come up here. Yes, this is our Green Beauty special, especially for Hari Raya and Great Singapore Sale. So Botanical Radiance facials have about 6 different types. You can choose either to have just the face or face, eye and neck. And then you can buy up to 3 sessions. So same goes to the Bio Ageless, which is a very intense facial for high anti-aging. Okay? Oh yes, last but not the least, these are books by Mini Monsters. That's right. Rila has written these 4, and then a bunch of other people actually won the Beyond Words writing contest. So they have written these 4 books, and of course it comes with a cute teddy bear which Rila named Pute, and the 2 bath bombs plus the shower gel or the lotion. Okay, so they are organic. So okay, I hope you have enjoyed my little introduction of what we have here. So every day I'm going to input more and more things because we keep running out of stock, which is a good thing. So I am very happy to be here at North Point. Don't forget, our last day will be this Sunday. We're going to be here from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So get this chance to come here and get to know me, and I'll give you great discounts. So selamat hari raya.